G'day everyone, Audi555 here. On today's video we're going to be having a look at the air filter on a CFMOTO 450 MT. I've taken the liberty of taking the seat off and I've got a video on how to do that if you need it. But anyway, I'm flicking through the manual and I've come to the air filter part, and it doesn't really talk about how to actually remove the air filter intake cover to access the air filter itself. So I've only spent 2 minutes flicking through this book. It may be in there, but at this stage I have not seen it. So I'm making this video just to show you if this is easy or hard to be able to do. Alright, so let's get some tools. It looks like there's some 2 Allen keys at the bottom there, so let's go and grab one of them. So I've just untightened these 2 Allen key things down there, and this just pops up. That's the only 2 screws on it. I didn't have to remove them out of the case, so cover, sorry. That's really good. This is good. Inside the plastic, they've actually seated in some metal threads. That's great. And here we have the air filter, and it's actually, is it a 2-part air filter? Let's pop this over here. Let's see, there's this, oh no, it's like an air filter case and an air filter. There we go, that's super easy to get this air filter out. It is a paper air filter. You got the fins at the bottom and the orange bit at the top there. That's nice. And there's 3 parts to it. So you got this part, guide railing system of some description, and the actual filter. That was super easy to take out. It's obviously no removal of the tank. A little bit fiddly with the 3 bits there, but it seems alright. And you got the air intake area there. Bring that back in. Oh yep. That just all fitted together quite easily. In the top it was too easy. I'm wondering if I did it wrong, but no, it's in there. It's in the railing on the sides there. Yep, that's it, that's done. Alright, so that's super easy. And now let's see if this is just as easy to put back in. Yep. So, yep, that's in on the top. So that's just slot it in. And then do these nuts up. You know, this is really good, and I pointed out those metal threaded inserts that are in the plastic because I believe on the 800 MT they haven't used those threaded inserts. They've just got the screws going into the plastic itself, and a lot of people are finding that they're over tightening or just tightening it up as normal and ripping away the plastic threads. So the metal brand new, I'm a bit worried. Anyway, well, that's it on today's video on how to do the air filter on a CFMOTO 450 MT. It's pretty easy to do, and I just used this 4mm hex Allen key thing, and that was super simple and easy. Anyone could do that. As usual, keep safe out there on the roads. Down 2 wheels, not on your head. Leave a like and a comment in, subscribe if you choose to. I've got plenty of comment on this bike and that bike on my channel. Alright, see you all next time. Laters.